I'm Max Dalton, and in this video, I'll show you how to remove a recovery phone number from your Gmail account. Step 1. Open your web browser, navigate to myaccount.google.com, and sign into your Google account if prompted. You will land on your Google account home screen. Step 2. Click Security and Sign In the menu on the left side of the screen. Security options appear on the right side of the screen. Step 3. Scroll down to the How You Sign Into Google section and then click Recovery Phone. You may be asked to enter your Google password again to verify your identity. Step 4. Find the recovery phone number you want to delete and then click the trash can icon next to that phone number. A Run dialog box pops up asking if you want to remove this phone number. Click Remove Number. A message appears at the bottom of the screen letting you know that your recovery phone number has been deleted. If you prefer to remove your recovery phone number using the Gmail mobile app on your iPhone, iPad, or Android device, the process is very similar. Open the Gmail app, tap your profile icon at the top right, and then select Manage Your Google Account. Tap the Security tab at the top of the screen, scroll down to the How You Sign Into Google section, and then tap Recovery Phone. After verifying your identity, tap the trash can icon next to your phone number and then confirm you want to remove it. If you are removing your phone number for security reasons but still want a backup way to get into your account, you should consider adding or updating a recovery email address or setting up two-step verification using an authenticator app. You can find both of these options right in that same security and sign-in menu. Let me know if this video helped you out in the comments below. If you liked what you saw here, click the video links on the right side of the screen to check out another video. Or click the logo on the left side of the screen to check out my tutorial website at www.maxdalton.how.